Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2017 Nissan Altima. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: remote engine start, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.